So we're going to the train station, are we?
Yes, which is just up the end of this road.
To check the train to Pescara.
Pescara, yeah. And then maybe we get our tax code. So open and able to do it for us.
Oh, look at that. Look at that garden. Oh, it's nice.
That's the station, I think, over there.
Oh, it's not far to go.
No.
So that's the station there.
Yeah.
They're doing some work.
Yeah, there's a lot of work there.
There's several shops there. Are we going? Are we crossing?
Yeah.
There's a car coming.
I know, so hurry up.
So we're coming back tomorrow.
Yeah.
Well, at least they're open. It's Saturday tomorrow,
I know,
isn't it?
that, yeah. And I thought they might be closed, but they only open in the mornings. There, it even says CAF up in the window there. So here we are on the north side of Avezzano railway station. That is the ticket office over there. There's the mountains in the distance. Lovely sunny morning again.
And it's cooler today.
Well, in the
than
shade here, yes. It will get hotter
yesterday
later.
or the day before that.
And then the station entrance coming up over there.
What, this month?
Finishes tomorrow. Road takes us down to where some of the shops were. Turn down here.
prezzi del lavoro sono più o meno. Quindi dovevamo mettere.
Here we are in what appears to be the centre of Avezzano. Quite a,
Really
arriving
busy.
at 7 o'clock in the evening, quite a busy piazza here.
Yeah.
Quite an impressive setting. These fountains, loads of people around. Really popular area. And it's only about 10-15 minutes walk from where we're staying.